let's talk about how to power off a new iPhone if you just get a new iPhone 16 series. So there are multiple ways to shut down your phone. First, you need to hold on volume up and power button at the same time. Something like that, you should be able to slide to power off. For the other option, you just pull down the control center and then you're gonna see the power button on the top here. Just hold on it. You should be able to see something like this. It pop up the slide to power off where you can turn off your phone too. One more method is to go into setting, go to general, scroll all the way down. You should be able to shut down your phone just like that. Just slide to power off to shut down. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.